Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to make cinematic effects in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're creating YouTube videos, short films, gaming montages, reels, or cinematic edits, yeah, After Effects gives you powerful tools for creating dramatic and professional-looking visuals. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, import your video clips, overlays, sound effects, and music into the project panel. Now drag your clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. One of the biggest parts of cinematic editing is color grading. Use Lumetri Color to adjust contrast, shadows, highlights, and cinematic tones. To make movement feel smoother and more realistic, enable motion blur for animated layers and transitions. To connect scenes smoothly, use blur transitions, zoom transitions, whip pans, or fade effects. Good sound design is extremely important for cinematic videos. Add impacts, whooshes, ambient sounds, and dramatic music. Once your cinematic effects look good, preview the full video carefully and export the final version in high quality. And that's basically how to make cinematic effects in After Effects in 2026. With cinematic color grading, motion blur, overlays, transitions, and sound design, you can create professional-looking visuals directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.